We realised very, very quickly, probably within 2 to 3 weeks after the machine had landed, that this was a game changer for us. Cycle times were a third of what they were. We had a lot less handling, but we had parts lying all over the place that were in different levels, waiting to go through the next operation, whereas it comes off and it was complete. So, customer came to us just over 3 years ago with a package of 50,000 components, varying in size between 10mm and 25mm, of various different types of material, some exotic materials in there, some were Inconels, some were high-mu, mainly 304 stainless, but all come with their own individual problems. From placement of order until the machine actually landed in the shop floor was in the region of 5 to 6 weeks. Now, we have no experience in how to work this machine. We could barely have turned it on through the switch at the back over here, and that was as much as we had. But the support package coming in from start at that point allowed us within a week to have training in place, and within the week after that we started to manufacture real components on it. So within a 2-week period we had went from knowing nothing about the machine and how to set it, to being able to set it, to be able to manufacture components. We realised very, very quickly, probably within 2 to 3 weeks after the machine had landed, that this was a game changer for us. Cycle times were a third of what they were. We had a lot less handling, but we had parts lying all over the place that were in different levels, waiting to go through the next operation, whereas it comes off and it was complete. So the first machine I underspec'd, there was no high pressure coolant spec'd onto it. So I decided that I would change that for the next machine in, but I would also retrofit the first machine with a high pressure coolant, given the fact that the high-mu is a very sticky material. It doesn't like to chip, and the high pressure coolant enables us to chip. The volumes of these components will run to 5,000–6,000 a year on a very tricky material. So we need the best cutting conditions, which I believe the high pressure coolant is. We also at that point retrofitted the first machine and the second machine with an Arnold platen, which is a direct onto the high pressure coolant. So you don't need to pipe it. It's piping already into the platen, and we can push it directly up into it. Changeover time for a tool is typically 10 to 15 seconds, which is, when you're trying to hit high volumes, it's absolutely key that every second counts.